For holidays or for birthday parties, my girls and I, we love to make vanilla cake pops from scratch and garnish it with delicious silky chocolate glaze and garnish it with our favorite sprinkles. This recipe is absolutely our favorite to make cake pops inside our cake pop maker. Hi you guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. To make cake pops, you'll need a cake pop maker. I like to use this one. Also, find the full recipe in the description below. Now, in the mixing bowl, combine flour, baking powder, and salt. Stir that in, just like you see it here. In a different bowl, combine sugar and room temperature butter. We're gonna whisk it on high until everything's fluffed up. Next, we're gonna add eggs and vanilla extract and whisk it until super silky texture. After, we're gonna add flour. We're gonna add half of the flour mixture. We're gonna blend it in. And then we're gonna add 1/4 cup of milk. And blend that in. Next, we're gonna add the rest of the flour. And the rest of the milk, which is 1/4 cup. Whisk everything up. If you like a recipe like this, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. After we blend everything up, our dough is ready for baking. Preheat your cake pop maker until it's ready to bake. Next, we're gonna add about 1 tablespoon of mixture into the cake pop maker. After it's done baking, remove your cake pops and repeat with the rest of the batter. While cake pops are baking, we're gonna make our glaze. Into the mixing bowl, add melting chocolate chips. Melt chocolate chips in the microwave for about 30 to 60 seconds. Next, add pink food coloring to make a pink glaze or any color of your choice. Dip cake pop stick into the glaze and then insert it into a cake ball. Next, glaze the rest of the cake pop and garnish it with any of your favorite sprinkles. Before glazing cake pops, place your cake balls into the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes. It makes glazing so much easier that way, and the chocolate gets hard much faster. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you want a printable recipe, please visit munchkintime.com and search for cake pops. Also, come check out my new latest recipes. It's berry trifle recipe and 20-minute bang bang shrimp recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed those recipes as well, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.